but I believe that you two are as good as you all appear to be. At the very outset, I would like to extend my thanks to sister, all the teachers, Tagalog Pogi Academy, for giving before I begin, let me ask you one thing. What do you know about Tagalog Pogi Academy? Any idea about this institution? पढ़ा था बड़ा सा रोमन स्क्रिप्ट पोकणी खातीर पावोवपी एक संस्था राइट ला स्मार्ट सो वी सेड इट एज कोंकणीची रोमी लिपी सो यू आर वांट टू कन्वर्स इन इंग्लिश और कोंकणी थँक यू मनांतल्यान उलयली तुम्ही सगळ्या कोंकणी कळटा न्ही Let me tell you before I proceed, I have a phobia. You know what is a phobia? Yes, no? What is it? When you get scared of something. So there are so many phobias like claustrophobia, teratophobia,